Love, happy birthday. Madaming nga salamat sa mga suportar sa imong mga inaplos nga ginapadalaan mo sa bisan pigado kada kag ang Diyos nga nagahatag sa imo Japon sang madamo gid nga grasya kag halong gid kada kag si Kuya MJ halong manda kag si Timothy kung na budaya na kamo dalaw mo lang din sila sa akon kay kami lang din masagot sa kay Timothy. Maraming salamat.
Happy birthday, Manang Love. May God bless you with good health and happiness in life. May God continue to bless you and shower a lot of blessings for you. And just keep on fighting. Fight para sa future ni Timothy.
Happy birthday, Ate Desai!
Wish you all the best and take care always with Timothy
And Tita MJ.
Tita MJ and the rest of the church family. Once again,
Happy birthday!
God bless!
God bless you! See you!
A blessed happy birthday, Sis Tisay. Ang aking verse para sa iyo na matatagpuan sa King James Version ay ang Proverbs 9:11. Nawa sa idinagdag na taon sa iyo ng ating Panginoon, nawa ay magamit mo ito ayon sa kanyang kalooban, nawa ay pagpalain ka niya palagi, at nawa ay bigyan ka ng magandang kalusugan. Yan lang, at again, happy birthday muli.
He'll heal those who hurt and comfort every broken heart. Restore the homes of families who've been torn apart. Tell chains to break and do what seems impossible, like only He can. I might not be able to part the waters, might not be able to calm the storms, might not be able to make my giants fall, but good thing I'm not alone, 'cause there is a power that is greater, so I'm not afraid of what's ahead. I'm standing in the confidence that even though I can't, my God can. Oh, yes He can.
Happy birthday, Mama Love. I wish you a good health and your child too. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama Love. I love you. Happy birthday, Mama Love. Wish ko sa inyo nga tanan nga good health kamuda. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Love Love. Wish ko lang sa imo tani may maayo ka nga nga health kag hindi mo pabayan ang imo kaugalingon. Amo lang na wish ko. Happy birthday, Liwat.
Happy birthday po, Tito Tisay. Ingat po kayo palagi. God bless po. Love you.
Go. Happy birthday, Ma. I wish you to have a good lifestyle and a day as well before as you are. More birthdays to come and always stay positive.
I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. I can do all things, 'cause His Spirit lives in me. I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. I can do all things, 'cause His Spirit lives in me. I might not be able to part the waters, might not be able to calm the storms, might not be